Hello, this is Dan Ryan with Ryan Restorations. We specialize in tile and slate and copper roofing. We have hired My Online Toolbox to take care of our marketing and website digital needs. We had a previous website which was there but did absolutely nothing, not even one phone call over several years. And then through working with My Online Toolbox, we gave them the data they requested, pictures, information on what we do. He plugged it into his system, a little back and forth, work over the telephone, very easy to work with. Eventually we had a great looking website, and then they applied their SEO strategies, and eventually the phone starts ringing. It's a real joy to work with them. We fully realize between ourselves and the customer is the internet, so we rely on them to help us navigate that foreign land to a person such as myself. So we appreciate their help and look forward to a bright future. Thank you.